Congrats kasi ang tagal inaantay ng Tom Car fans. Ang dami nagsasabi, ba't ang tagal ng movie na kayong dalawa magkasama?
Mga ganong decision, wala naman sa akin eh. So ako, I'm always just grateful na I have this great opportunity to work with someone who I enjoy working with. Very, very much.
Kanina, lahat ng tanong ng press is tungkol sa inyong dalawa. Napagod ka ba kakasagot?
Siguro pagod, pero I feel like I've answered it before na pag sinisabing repeat the lines, ganun. Kasi, I mean, nothing has changed. Like I said, whatever Sheila has, it just keeps getting stronger, and I'm so happy. I've been the happiest I've been. I don't know what more I have to say. I've said parang everything that I wanted to share.
Yun na nga.
Kasi taming gusto ko yung sinabi ni Direk that there are parts din na we would like to, for me at least, that I would like to keep private din. Parang compartmentalize kasi it's what keeps me safe. So, sa industry that I'm in now, and I fully understand it, everything has to be out there almost like I'm a public property. Yes, I am a public property. Pero in a way, siguro we still have some things na we would like sana na
sa inyo na lang.
Pero like I said, it stands to what they see. It's not like I'm putting on or I'm doing anything other than what I would be doing normally.
But your heart now is very happy.
Very, very happy.